Hi friends, so welcome to Ignite's next video, and I'm here to present our new pattern questions related to general aptitude, and this is presented by Mr. Pranav Das, general aptitude trainer in Ignite. So I want to thank you all for the enormous support and love for our classes, and I am expressing that gratitude towards you. And please keep on supporting. I know that uh, you are following us, and yeah, let's hope for the best and just best of luck. So we can see so many cubes which is numbered like this. Okay, so cubes which are numbered are called dice. Okay, so cubes and dice, that's the topic we are going to discuss today. There are so many simple questions related to cubes, and likewise there are some twisted questions also related to dice. Okay, so we can discuss about that twisted ones, which is asking for most of the competitive exams, like even in UPSC, cubes and dice is a topic. Okay, so in reasoning section, it is asked frequently in all the competitive exams, whether it is railway, SSC, anything. Okay, so we can just move on to the topic. So we can move on to the question. If the even number dice have odd number of dots on their top faces, so we have to think even numbered dice. Okay, so we can see the cases. These are the dice, and we have to think about even numbered dice. What is even numbered dice? This one, this is even, this is even, and this is also even numbered dice. That is 2, 4, 6. Okay, they are even numbered dice. So they have odd number of dots on their top face. Okay, odd number of dots. Odd number of dots on their top face. Okay, in the case of 2, then in the case of 4, and in the case of 6, that will be odd number. Okay, odd. This will be odd. Here also it will be odd. In the top face it will be odd. That is given in the question. Okay. Then what about the next condition? Odd numbered dice. Odd numbered dice have even number of dots on their bottom faces. On their bottom faces. It's a tricky question, right? So in the case of this one, 1, then 3, then 5. These are the odd numbered cubes or dice, isn't it? So here the condition is that in the bottom face, even numbered dots will be there. Okay, even number of dots will be there. Okay, so here it will be in the bottom face it will be even. Here also in the case of third case also it will be in the bottom it will be even. Then the next case, here also it will be even. Uh, we know that in the case of this cubes or dice, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? These are the numbers or dots which can be imprinted on that faces, right? So 2, 4, and 6 are the even numbers, and 1, then 3, and 5 are the odd numbers, odd numbered dots. Okay, so we have to think about that also. Okay, so these are the conditions. We can check the conditions separately. So these are the option 12, 14, 16, and 18. Okay, the first condition is even number dice have odd number of dots on their top faces. Okay. So we can take the second one. Then here it will be 1 or 3. Okay, in the top face it will be 1 or 3, either 1 or 3. Okay, now here there are 4 dots, and here it is 5 dots. Okay, 5 and 4 are already imprinted. So the remaining things are 2, 4, sorry, 2, 6, 1, 3. So 2 and 6 can be in the bottom face, 2 or 6. then in the top face it will be 1 or 3. Okay, so we have to check whether we can just club it, or we can find an opposite pair which will be whose sum will be 7. That is our main concern. So here it is 1 and here it is 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7, right? So we can take like that. Okay, we can take uh, the top face. Just consider this as a cube. Okay, I'm just drawing roughly. Then the top face will be 1 and bottom will be 6. Just consider this is what? This is the second cube. Okay, or dice. So just consider 4 cube. Then we have 1 or 3 or 5 on the top face. So the remaining only number will be 6. So we have that number on the top. Okay. If the number on the bottom side is 6, then 1 will be the top face. 1 will be the top face, because then only we can just make an opposite pair. Okay, whose sum is 7. So just take like this. In the top it will be 1, in the bottom it will be 6. Okay, this is what fourth figure, fourth uh, dice. Okay, consider sixth one. Here we have 1 or 3 on the top face because 5 is already there. Hmm? Then 4 is there. Then the even numbers will be 2 or 6. The remaining numbers will be 2 or 6, right? Then here we have to take, if we take 2, then that combo will not work out. 2 plus 1 is not 7. 2 plus 3 is also not 7. So we have to take again 6 here. 6 is not in the given number of dots. So we can take 6 itself. So here also what will be the figure? What will be the figure? In the bottom it will be 6 and in the top it will be what? 1. Okay. So that is correct. Consider the odd number dice have even number of dots on their bottom faces. Okay, so just consider 1. Hmm. Here we have 2 or 4 on the bottom side because 6 is already there. Okay, 6 dots are already there. So if we have to consider even number on the bottom side, then 2 or 4 will be there. Then 1 or 5 must be in the opposite to that. Okay, so in order to make it in order to make it what? In order to make the opposite pair sum 7, we have to take like this, isn't it? So the top face will be what? Top face will be 5 and bottom face will be what? Bottom face will be 2. Okay. Consider the next one, that is the third figure. Then the even numbered item will be on the base or bottom. Here 6 and 4 is already given, so 2 is the remaining part. Then we have 1 or 3 or 4 on the top. So here it is 2. So we must take 5. Okay, then only that combo will work out. That is, the summation must be what? Summation of the opposite faces must be what? 7. Okay. Okay, so we will get like this. Okay. Yes. Then the next one also we have 3 on the top. Okay, because 1 and 5 are already taken. Then opposite of 3 will be what? 4, right? That is better. So we can take uh, top as 3 and base as 4. Okay, base as what? 4. We can take like this. Okay. So we can conclude that number of dots on the top faces of the dice, second, fourth, and sixth are 1, 1, 1. And number of dots on the top faces of dice 1, 3, and 5 are 5, 5, and 3 respectively. Okay. So we have to take the total on the top faces. So 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that's equal to what? 16. And the option is C. Okay. So thank you for watching. Keep liking, sharing, commenting, and saving. And please follow the Ignite channel.